Hello students, let's start with the concept of habitat and niche. So what do you mean by habitat? An habitat is an area where an organism lives. So an organism lives in a particular area is known as habitat. Now what do you mean by niche? A niche is an organism role in its environment. So a role played by the organism in its environment is known as niche. Now the role may be a full range of physical and the biological condition in which an organism lives, and the way in which the organism use those conditions include where in the food chain it is and where an organism fits. So in short, habitat is like an address in an ecosystem and a niche is like an occupation in an ecosystem. Now we are going to see the difference between habitat and niche. So a habitat is an area where a species lives and with other factor and prosper, whereas a niche is a concept of how an organism lives or survives in environmental condition. Habitat consists of numerous niche, whereas niche does not contain such component. Effect of temperature, rainfall and other abiotic factor affect habitat, whereas flow of energy from one organism to other occur through ecosystems, whereas habitat supports the numerous species at a time, whereas niche support a single species at a time. Habitat is a physical place, whereas niche is an activity performed by the organism. Habitat is not a species specific, whereas niche is a species specific. So what do you mean by habitat? So the type of place where an organism lives is its habitat. It is a place or address that you would go to find the organism in a particular geographic locality. Some organisms live only in one type of habitat, whereas other organism lives in a greater range of habitat. Some organisms move to a different place according to the seasonal changes, whereas within an habitat there are the local area called microhabitat. So what do you mean by microhabitat? It is an small living space within a large habitat. So in short, habitat is an address of an ecosystem from where the organism belong. Now what do you mean by niche? So the term niche was coined by G. Greenell. So according to the G. Greenell, the ecological niche describes the functional position of an organism in its environment. A niche comprises of the habitat in which the organism lives, the organism activity pattern, the period of time during which it is active, and the resource it's obtained from the habitat. So in short, niche is the occupation in an ecosystem. Now, there are types of niche is habitat niche, trophic niche, multidimensional or hypervolume niche. So what do you mean by habitat niche? It is a physical space occupied by an organism. So it is called as habitat niche. Now what do you mean by trophic niche? So the organism occupy the space in the food chain is known as your trophic niche, and the position in the environment gradient of temperature, moisture etc. is known as multidimensional or hypervolume niche. Now there are two types of niche also present, that is your fundamental niche and realized niche. Now both this type of niche is depend on the competition of the species. Like when there is no competition, the space occupied by an organism is called as your fundamental niche. But when there is a competition between two species, the actual space occupied by an organism is called as your realized niche. So the fundamental niche is a total range of physical, chemical and biological factor a species can utilize or survive if there are no other species affecting it, whereas a realized niche is an actual mode of existence which result from its adaptation and competition with other species, because species never live under a perfect condition but where an acceptable ecologic sum of condition exists. So that's it. In next lecture we are going to start with 13.2. Thank you.